Chef Pachi.
Hello everyone, today I have an amazing video. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to shred some chicken, and we're going to use all the leftover stems of basil, of green onions, the leaves of basil that are not so pretty, and I wanted some stems of mint, which I couldn't find. But you can also add stems of anything you want. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove these stems, because on the tops we have a lot of seeds, and we use those seeds to plant more basil. Basil is really easy to plant. It's keeping up that takes more time, because you have to cut the leaves, take them out, and prune them every so often so that they keep growing wide. Leftover green onions, they go in there. Some basil leaves that were not the prettiest in the world. And then I'm going to add the mint. Oh, and by the way, the cilantro also didn't come with a lot of stems, but you can also use the stems. So this is a great way to season
All of her stock, and it doesn't matter if you're going to use it for fish, shrimp, vegetables, chicken like we're going to do today, or pork, or any other food. And you decide if you salt or not. The amount of water you add depends on what you're cooking it for. For example, if you're going to steam chicken, we don't add a lot. If we're going to make just stock, we add much more.
And I bought a whole chicken, removed the skin, but kept the bones, because these are going to give me all the flavor that
I'm going to need in my stock. The fat usually rises when it cools and you can get it out, but you might want to use that fat for a sauce in the recipe, or you just might not want that fat at all. Turn it on and cook it for 10 to 12 minutes, or 15 or 20 or 50 if it's meat bones, and then just remove the stock from meat and vegetables you cook in the Instapot. And voila! Chef Pachi!